If you're on YouTube right now and you don't really understand how monetization works, or maybe you're already at the monetization threshold and you're wondering what happens next, or you've already hit the monetization threshold and you're just confused about what to do after, this video is for you. Because a lot of creator thinks once you hit your 1,000 subscribers and you get your 4,000 watch hours, money starts flowing in automatically. No, that's not how it works. There are a few very important steps you need to take before you can actually start earning. And in this video, I'm going to break everything down clearly. From setting up your Google AdSense account, to verification, to payments, and even to the new video verification method. I am Imole Ayo, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, I talk about how to edit your YouTube videos, how to grow on YouTube. And if that's something you're interested in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime an amazing video like this one drops. Now, let's get right into it. Step 1. Meeting the monetization requirements. Before anything else, you have to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, because that's what allows you earn money on YouTube. And right now, there are 2 levels of monetization. The first level is early access. With this, you need to have 500 subscribers plus 3,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months or 3 million short views in the last 90 days. This level gives you access to fan funding features like super chats, super thanks, and memberships. And now there's level 2. Level 2 is full monetization. To access this level, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and also have 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million short views in the last 90 days. This level unlocks ads, which is where you start making real money. So once you qualify for any of this level, YouTube will send you an email to apply for monetization. And that's where Google AdSense comes in. And now that brings us to step 2. Setting up your Google AdSense account. Think of Google AdSense as the payment arm of YouTube. It's the platform that handles your money, calculates your revenue, stores it, and sends it to your bank. YouTube will automatically guide you to set up your Google AdSense account. And if you already have one, you can just link it immediately. If you don't have one yet, you'll be given the option to create one. And the process is not time consuming. So now once you've created your AdSense account and it's linked to your YouTube account, YouTube will then review your channel and approve you for monetization. Peradventure, you followed YouTube community guidelines. And monetization review, in my own case, it didn't even last up to 24 hours. It was so fast. Let's say I applied yesterday evening, I got my email the following day in the morning. Now that your monetization have been approved, congratulations. The next step, and that is step 3, is for you to fill out your tax form. Once your AdSense is ready, you need to fill out your tax information. And this is where you will see something like the W8BN form. This form helps Google to determine how much tax will be withhold from your YouTube earning. Now, if you're in a country like Nigeria or most African countries who does not have a tax treaty with the US government, you will have to fill out this W8BN form. It is very important. But I won't go deep into that in this video because there's someone here on YouTube who already broke it down. I mean, that was the video I watched to fill my own tax form. So I'm just going to drop the link of his video in my description box below. His name is Elozonath. Like, he actually made a playlist about monetization on YouTube here. So I'm just going to drop a link where he talked about how to fill the W8BN form. I mean, that video is very detailed. He literally showed everything on screen, where to click, what to select, and what to avoid. And now that brings us to step 4, identity verification. Before you can verify anything on AdSense, you need to meet a $10 threshold. This means your YouTube earnings must have reached $10 before you qualify to verify your identity on AdSense. Without hitting the $10 threshold, the identity verification tab will not open. So once your earnings reach $10, YouTube will automatically notify you to verify your identity. You'll be asked to upload a government-issued ID, like your national ID card, your voter's card, your driver's license, or your international passport. And make sure your name and the address on these IDs matches the one you actually filled in your AdSense profile. Because if it doesn't match, you get a rejection. That brings us to step 5, and that is address verification or PIN verification versus video verification. Now, this is where most creators get stuck, because before, Google sends a physical pin to your home address by post just to verify if you are human. I mean, this takes about 2 to 4 weeks, sometimes even longer than that, and many creators never received it. And I'm guessing that's why they introduced this new online verification method, because this is faster and more reliable. And here is how it works. So instead of waiting for a pin, you can now do a video verification to verify that you are human through live video verification. This means Google will ask you to upload your ID. Like, it's very straightforward and simple. And then you do a short live video. There will be prompts on what to do. You turn your head sideways and all that. It's very easy. I couldn't screen record it because my camera was on, I had to use my camera. So I could not screen record that part on my phone. I would have shown you. The process is so seamless. It didn't even take me up to 10 minutes. And once you're done with your identity verification, you get this message: identity verification completed. And that's all you need. You don't need to wait for any other pin anymore. I mean, to be honest, I feel we new creators, we are enjoying, because that's so easy. So when you get the prompting for your identity verification, the option for the old way is still there, but I will advise that you choose the new method. That's the online verification, if it's applicable to where you are, because I think it's not applicable to some countries. But if it is applicable to your country, please kindly save yourself the stress and click on video verification. It takes about 10 minutes and it's very easy. And now this brings us to the last step, and that is step 6: adding your payment method. So once your verification is done, the next step is to add your payment method. All you need to do is to go to your Google AdSense dashboard, then click on payments. Under it, you get the payment info. Scroll down to how you get paid and click on add payment method. Then you'll be asked to add new wire transfer details or add new check details. So for those of us that are not in the US, you need to click on add wire transfer details. Then you input your bank account details, and that is your domiciliary account. You have to open a domiciliary account in dollars, and make sure your bank name matches the name on your ID card and as well on your AdSense profile. So to fill in your bank details, most of these details, you need to ask your bank about them before you even try to fill anything on this page. You need to ask your bank about them, the Swift BIC code, intermediary bank. Ask your bank. You can see like it's written there, ask your bank. You need to ask your bank all this information before you even come to fill out this segment. That is that on adding your payment details. Now here's the thing: before Google can actually pay you, your AdSense balance must reach $100 threshold. It was even recently I got to realize that there's something called estimated revenue. While you are still earning in your YouTube studio, you get to see your estimated revenue. Or what actually enters your Google AdSense is your finalized earning. And that is after YouTube has deducted their tax, they've deducted invalid traffic. Some people watch their videos with multiple accounts. So if YouTube detects any invalid traffic and they notice that the IP address is from the same device but different account, there's a penalty for that. Your money will be deducted. So after all the deductions, the money that actually enters your Google AdSense is your finalized earning. And that finalized earning must actually be $100 before you get paid. So I know many of you will have questions about this. So I added a quick Q&A at the end of this video. Make sure to watch this video to the end in order to see them. And if this Q&A does not answer your question, you can actually drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll be there to answer them. So yeah, that's literally everything you need to know about YouTube monetization, Google AdSense setup, and verification. And the key things to note: you need to hit your $10 threshold to verify your ID. Use the new video verification method instead of waiting for Google PIN. Fill your W8BN form by watching this guy's video. Like I said earlier, I'm going to drop the link to his video in my description box below. And lastly, add your bank details once you meet the $100 threshold. Once you do all this, you're good to go, and you start receiving your YouTube payment smoothly every month. So if this video helped you, like, share and subscribe so it can reach other small creators who are confused about this process. And also let me know in the comment section, what stage are you on your YouTube journey? I would like to know. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.